Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to discuss 12th and the last part of our series 600 most expected ecology and environment MCQs for all competitive exams. Without wasting time, let's start. The distribution of a taxon throughout the tropical belt is called. When a taxon is distributed throughout the tropical belt, it will be called pantropical distribution. The most commonly used method for estimating primary productivity of a pond involves measurement of the amount of. When we want to estimate the primary productivity of a pond, we will measure its oxygen released. A much greater proportion of energy fixed by autotrophs is transferred to the herbivore level in the open ocean ecosystem than in a forest ecosystem, because this happens because the terrestrial autotrophs have more indigestible tissues. Which of the following is a characteristic of an early cereal community? We have to give the characteristic of early cereal community. Narrow niche specialization. No, in early cereal communities, niche specialization is not narrow, it's broad. Low community production. This is also incorrect. High species diversity. No, species diversity is low at that time. And open mineral cycling. Yes, this is characteristic of early cereal community. According to MacArthur and Wilson's equilibrium theory, which of the following is true? According to MacArthur and Wilson's equilibrium theory, larger islands and islands close to continents are expected to have more species than smaller and isolated islands. This will be correct according to MacArthur and Wilson's equilibrium theory. Which of the following plants have the capacity to endure long desiccation? Among these, lithophytes have the capacity to endure long desiccation. Gauge's competitive exclusion principle states that two species with identical niches cannot coexist indefinitely. Which of the following statements is the most appropriate regarding the validity of the principle? Correct answer will be, it depends on how one defines its niche. The headquarters of UN are located at. Headquarters of UN are located at Nairobi. Release of nutrients, oxidants or electron donors into the environment to stimulate the naturally occurring microorganisms to degrade a contaminant is referred to as, it refers to as biostimulation. In this question, assertion is given, coastal Odisha is most cyclone prone area of India. This is correct statement. Reason is given, there is a large amount of deforestation of mangroves in Mahanadi Delta area. This is also correct statement. So both assertion and reasons are true and R is correct explanation of A. Biomass pyramid is reversed in which of the ecosystem? Biomass pyramid is reversed or inverted in case of pond ecosystem. The presence of which of the following degrades ozone from ozonosphere? Presence of chlorofluorocarbons will degrade the ozone from ozonosphere. Among the following, which statement is not correct? We have to find the incorrect statement, not correct statement. Madhya Pradesh has maximum forest area. This is correct. Arunachal Pradesh has maximum dense forest area. This is also correct. Nagaland is the most forest covered state of India. This is an incorrect statement because the most forest covered state of India is MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. Haryana is the least forest covered state of India. This is also correct. Which of the following is not correctly matched? We have to find the incorrect match here. Kaziranga National Park, it is in Assam. It's correct. Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. This is also correct. Bandipur National Park, it is not in Tamil Nadu, it is in Karnataka. So the incorrect match is C. Sanjay National Park, it is in Madhya Pradesh. This is also correct. Acid rain is caused by pollution of environment by. Acid rain is caused by the pollution of environment by nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Consider the following statements. Assertion is given. Soil pollution is more dangerous as compared to industrial pollution. This is correct. Reason is given, that is fertilizers and pesticide enter into blood food cycle. This is also correct. So both assertion and reasons are true and R is correct explanation of A. Which of the following part is correctly matched? Here we have to find the correct match. Gene. The concept of gene was given by W.L. Johansen. Here translate is written, so it's incorrect. Cell. Cell term was given by Robert Hooke, not by Johansen. Then ecology. The term ecology was coined by Ernest Haeckel in 1869, but its first authentic use was made by Reuters in 1885. So here the correct match is Reuters with ecology. The term ecosystem was given by Tansley, not by Robert Hooke. So correct option is only C. Which of the following have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen? Among these, Azolla, Cyanobacteria, Azospirillum, these are having the ability of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. So correct option is option D, that is 1, 3 and 4. In a lake ecosystem, bottom-up effect B refer to control of a lower trophic level by the higher trophic levels, and top-down effect T refers to the opposite. In a lake with 3 trophic levels, phytoplanktons P, zooplanktons Z and primary carnivores C. In this case, it will be P, Z and C are all controlled by T, that is by the top down effect, because carnivores will be at the top position in the food chain. After that zooplanktons will come and the lowermost will be the phytoplanktons. So phytoplankton, zooplankton and primary carnivores will be controlled by T, that is top down effects. Which of the following does not fix nitrogen? Among these, mycorrhiza will not fix nitrogen because mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between a green plant and a fungus. Others, that is Frankia, Rhizobia and Cyanobacteria, these will fix nitrogen. The concept of life form classes and biological spectrum was proposed by, this concept was proposed by C. Ronquier. Carrying capacity K, we have to give the correct statement that matches with carrying capacity. Carrying capacity is always eventually reached in any population. This will be the correct answer. Among the following, which plant is completely devoid of fruits? The plant that is without root is Ceratophyllum. Which of the following is not true for a critically endangered species? We have to find the not true statement, that is the false statement. Among these, the individuals of a species which have declined to low numbers are still a genetically open system. This is the incorrect statement regarding critically endangered species, and all other statements are true. Auticology deals with the ecology of a single species. Synecology is study of the communities of various species and genera. Match the various types of isolating mechanisms that prevent gene exchange between population of related species of organism. Habit isolation. In case of habit isolation, populations live in same regions but occupy different habitats. Seasonal isolation. In seasonal isolation, population exist in same region but are sexually mature at different times. Ethological isolation. In ethological isolations, the populations are isolated by different and incompatible behavior. Mechanical isolation. In case of mechanical isolation, the population is restricted by differences in structure and reproductive organs. So, among these, option A is correct answer. Entropy. Entropy increases in a community which is undergoing primary succession. The Yellowstone National Park is located in USA, United States of America. Mycobacterium vaccae uses propane as source of energy. It also converts cyclohexane to cyclohexanone which it does not use, but it is used by Pseudomonas as a source of energy. What type of association exists between Mycobacterium and Pseudomonas? In this association between two organisms, one is benefited and other derives neither benefit nor harm. So this type of relationship is called the commensalism. The idea that an altruistic gene will be favored if R is more than C upon B, where R is the coefficient of relatedness, B is the benefit of the recipient of the altruism, and C is the cost incurred to the donor, is known as the Hamilton's rule. In the presence of sunlight, atomic oxygen from the photochemical reduction of nitrogen dioxide reacts with a number of reactive hydrocarbons to form reactive intermediates called. These reactive intermediates that are formed are called as radicals. A grasshopper population is being assessed by capture, mark, release, recapture method. On the first day, 100 grasshoppers were captured from a given area in 1 hour time, marked and released. On the next day during recapture, 10 marked and 90 unmarked grasshoppers could be found in the same time period from same area. What will be the population size in the given area? In this case, to find the population size of the grasshopper, we will use this formula. Population size is equal to number in first sample multiplied by number in second sample divided by number in second sample previously marked. This will be the formula to solve this type of problems. Here the number of first sample is 100. Number of second sample is also 100 because 10 marked and 10 unmarked. When we plus 10 plus 90, it will be 100. So we put in this place number of second sample 100. Then number of second sample previously marked. Here the number of second sample previously marked is 10. So we write here 10. When we solve this equation, the answer will be 1000. The population size in the given area will be 1000. The term biotype means all the individuals having same genotype. Which of the following react with hemoglobin forming methemoglobin which will not take up oxygen? In this case, it is the nitrates that react with hemoglobin and forms the methemoglobin which will not take up oxygen. Which of the following pollutants cause yellowing and occasional necrosis of leaves, chlorosis of floral buds, inhibition of apical growth, equinacity of leaves, reduced growth, and lack of apical dominance? This can be caused by pollution of ethylene. The most common bacteria present in organic effluents is these are the Escherichia coli or E. coli. The agrochemicals like pesticides, insecticides and fungicides disturb the whole food chain through a process called. These agrochemicals including pesticides, insecticides and fungicides, they can disturb the whole food chain through the process that is known as biomagnification. Which of the following toxic substances are known as photochemical smoke? Peroxyacetyl nitrate and ozone, these forms the photochemical smoke. By this question, we have completed our series of 600 most expected ecology and environment MCQs for all competitive exams. If you found this video helpful, then please comment, like and share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.